In a world where we obsessively track everything, steps, sleep, even the temperature of our coffee, why aren't we doing the same with something as powerful as sunlight? Orlando homeowners are doing just that, and the impact is nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine turning every ray of sunshine into data that empowers you to optimize your energy, save money, and take control of your home's solar potential. The results? Well, they're as bright as the Florida sun. And companies like Sunstorm Energy are making it happen. So, how does it work? It all begins with smart solar monitoring systems, your personal eyes and ears for your panels. They provide real-time updates, letting you track energy production down to the smallest detail. And that's just the beginning. One of the top benefits of these systems is how they boost efficiency. By tracking your solar output, you can quickly catch issues, like a tree casting shade or a panel underperforming. With Sunstorm Energy's expertise in installations, your system is set up for success from the start, and smart monitoring keeps it running at its best. What about those sneaky issues that build up over time? That's where early detection comes in, acting like a guardian for your solar system. These tools catch small problems before they become costly headaches, saving you from long periods of inefficiency and expensive repairs. Let's get to what everyone loves: saving money. Smart solar monitoring systems help cut energy costs by tracking your solar production and energy use. You'll spot energy-hogging appliances and make smarter choices, leading to potential savings on your monthly bill. What should you look for in a smart solar monitoring system? First, make sure it includes a mobile app for easy, quick access to your energy data. A good app lets you see everything, from daily energy production to how weather affects your output. It's like having your personal energy dashboard right in your pocket. Some systems also help you track how much energy your appliances are using. For those of us in Orlando, where the weather can change things fast, look for a system that includes local weather data. That way, you can understand how the weather is affecting your energy output and make better decisions. When choosing a system, there are a few key things to consider. Ensure it's compatible with your existing solar setup and offers cloud storage to keep your data secure. Look for a system with a user-friendly interface. No matter how advanced, it's useless if it's hard to navigate. And don't forget about local support. Sunstorm Energy is always ready to provide expert help when you need it. One of the best features of smart solar monitoring is its ability to sync with smart home devices. Your system can adjust the thermostat or schedule energy-heavy tasks like laundry during peak solar output, dramatically boosting energy efficiency. And it's not just about individual homes. These systems maximize solar efficiency, speeding up return on investment and making us less vulnerable to rising energy costs. They can even boost property values. Plus, the growing demand for solar monitoring is creating jobs, benefiting both our community and the environment. To keep your smart solar monitoring system running smoothly, just make sure to update the software, clean the sensors every now and then, and back up your data regularly. And of course, pick a system with strong local support, so help is always close by if you need it. If you're considering upgrading your solar system or have questions about how smart solar monitoring can benefit your home, don't hesitate to reach out to Sunstorm Energy for guidance. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about sustainable living, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back soon with more tips and insights. Until next time, let's keep building a better tomorrow together.